Please log into SellerVisor. Please click on the image generator. You can easily create images for social media, events, and promotions. Please click Use ASIN at the top and enter the ASIN. This is how the image gets uploaded automatically. Please select social media under the creative plan. And since this item falls under the beauty category, please select that category. Choose how many images you'd like to create. You can generate 5 images at a time, or even more if needed. It can save you a lot of time. Please select the size you want from the selection size. Normally, if it is square, you can select it as the default mode. Now, select the Show Promo option. There are various events on Amazon. Select Black Friday and enter your discount percentage. If it's 30%, just enter 30. Then click Generate Image to create the image. It's so easy to create images that you need to upload to social media for a Black Friday sale. Even if it's not Black Friday, other events are possible. You can select an option and change it to another event. For example, let's do it on Father's Day. Let's make it Father's Day and click on the generative image. Then a Father's Day promo image will be generated with the 30% discount shown. Since it's a Father's Day sale, it's perfect for posting on social media like Instagram. Now save time and use the seller image generator. Sign up now for a 14-day free trial. Subscribers get 20 credits a month. Try making an event image. Thank you for watching the video.